Yo, 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 yo! Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learn recipes as one. Today's your second upload for this week. Your Wednesday upload. We're going to put something together really quick. This is great for kids, and it's also good for you. We're going to use the pretzel rolls again. We got natural hot dogs, American cheese slices, you got butter, and we got German mustard. But feel free to use the products of your choice. The thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the pretzel bun, we're gonna cut it in half, and we're gonna use butter, and we're gonna brown the top of it. Then after that, we're gonna cook hot dogs, and we'll put hot dogs on top of there. And then we'll put the American cheese on top of that in the microwave, and we'll melt it all together, and it makes for a great snack. So let's get started in the pan. See you there. All right, so we're gonna start with the butter in the pan, and we're just gonna move that around. You want that melted. After that, you're gonna take these pretzel rolls. And hopefully you can find them near your area. If not, maybe online. And we're going to take these and we're going to just keep turning them till they're brown. Once we're done with that, then we'll cook the hot dogs that we're going to need. And then after that, we'll put the cheese on top, like I said, and we'll throw that in the microwave. If you want it, you can put a cover on here. You could throw some water in and put the cover on and use steam to melt the cheese. But the microwave is just as good. So just keep turning that, and we want to get this brown. Alright, so we're almost there. If you want it, you could flip these over and do the other side. But the main goal is to get this brown. So just keep turning that until you get to the brown color that you desire. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, look at that. Look how brown that is. So you got the garlic in there. You have the butter in there. And we're going to use this to build it. And like I said, if you weren't doing this step by step, this is probably like a 2 or 3 minute recipe. So now we're going to take probably like 2 hot dogs, because we're going to cook them, and then we'll slice them up and put them on top of there. But take your hot dogs, and we're going to use the same pan. This is a 1-pan recipe. Alright, so we have our hot dogs in there. Turn your stove to medium. Sorry, I'm using my hands today. Use whatever you want. Utensils. But God gave us hands to use. So just cook these. Once these are done, we're going to take them aside, and we're going to just cut them into slices. And then we'll put the mustard on here with the hot dogs, and then put the cheese on. Like I said, this only takes a couple minutes if we weren't doing a video. So hopefully everyone is doing good. Thanks for being part of my channel. Like I said, I'll bring you 2 to 3 uploads a week. Hopefully on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But like I said, I can't commit to certain days. But many more ideas to be brought your way. So continue to cook those hot dogs, and then we'll slice them. Alright, so you can see that our hot dogs are done. We're going to turn our stove off. And we're going to let that cool for a second, and then we're going to slice them up. Alright, so I cut those hot dogs up, and we're going to use that with the pretzel buns that have the butter in there. This is not a fancy recipe or a pretty one, but I can guarantee you this tastes good. So before we put the hot dogs on there, I'm going to take German mustard. German mustard is really good. And I'm going to squirt it on both sides, and I'm going to spread it, and then I'll put the hot dogs on. But feel free to use the mustard of your choice. Alright, so put on the mustard that you want, and just use a fork or a knife and spread that. Alright, so we have the mustard on there. Now we're going to take the hot dogs, and we're just going to place them on there. So if you want, you can use thin chunks or thick ones. So just basically line both buns with hot dogs. Because who doesn't like hot dogs and who doesn't like pretzels? And we also love pretzels with mustard and cheese. So this is going to come out perfect. So just place your hot dogs on there, and then we're only one step away. All right, so we have our hot dogs on there. And the last step is to take whatever cheese of your choice. I love these cheese slices. Reminds me of being a kid. But you could use regular sliced cheese. But you're going to want to take this, peel it, and we're going to place it on each one, and then we're going to throw it in the microwave. Like I said, if you don't want to do that, you could put like a little bit of water in here, put the cover on, and use steam to melt the cheese. Or you could use toaster oven or even the oven. But we're going to put this cheese on, and then we're going to melt away. All right, so we have our cheese on there. And the rule of thumb with a microwave is heat the put the microwave on 20 seconds at a time, because you could always add more time, but you can't take it away. So this is what they look like with the cheese on there, and I can guarantee you kids will love making these and eating these. So here those are, and we're going to throw them in the microwave, and they'll melt down, and then we'll have some fun eating these. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, like I said, this might not look pretty, but to kids this will be pretty cool. But the taste is unbelievable. So I ended up microwaving this for 35 seconds, and there it is. That's how you put cheese and hot dog on pretzel buns with butter. So today's Wednesday's upload. Thanks for being here. Please hit subscribe, hit like, share the page, and I will see you Friday with another idea. And you have a good night. Be safe. God bless.